Okay, this is lesson 5.1, which is the very first lesson of Unit 5. I'm going to use the bottom of the launch to define a couple things. So first, this symbol right here, this is the greater than symbol. Remember that we always read things in math from left to right. And so this is saying that 20 is greater than 15, or 20 is bigger than 15. It's another way of thinking of it. The next one, this is less than. Okay, meaning, again, from left to right, -4 is less than 5. All right, you could also think of it as smaller. -4 is smaller than 5, hence the reason why the symbol looks like that. Down here, the only difference is this has an equal sign underneath it, or a line, whereas that one doesn't. This is the same idea because you see the greater than. So greater than. This little line says or equal to. So greater than 23 is greater than or equal to 18. This one is 12 is less than or equal to 14. Okay, moving on. We're going to compare first equations versus inequalities and just see what the difference is. First things first, an inequality has a greater than, looks like that, or a less than, which looks like this, sign. The difference, this is the difference from an equation because it does not have an equal sign. That's what an equation is, it has an equal sign. An inequality does not. So this here, this is x equals 3. This is an equation because it has an equal sign. This is also known as a number equals 3. And the way that we would graph that is we just put a little dot at 3. And that's it. How many solutions are there? This is not a trick question. There's only one solution to this. X is 3. So there's one. Now this one, this says x is less than 3. Or a number is less than 3. So one number that's less than 3 is 2. 2 is less than 3. 1 is less than 3. 0 is less than 3. -1 is less than 3. -2 is less than 3. In fact, all of these numbers are less than 3 because all of these numbers are smaller than 3. Now, is 3 less than 3? The answer to that is no. Put a circle. Is 4 less than 3? No. So we'll put a circle. Is 5 less than 3? No. So we put a circle. As you can see, we have solutions and then a cluster of non-solutions. But how many solutions will there be? The answer is infinite. Oh, too many n's, sorry. The answer is infinite. There will be a ton of solutions, a lot of things that are less than 3. Okay? So let's go ahead and start doing some examples. Got these 4. This is a number is greater than -5. Now all we need to do is we need to pick a couple numbers that are greater than -5. So let's pick an easy one like 0. Is 0 greater than -5? What I'm actually going to do is I'm also going to highlight the x and the number I